Okay, we're going to show you after your soft wash why you should rinse and what comes off the roof after you soft wash if you just rinse alone. Okay, because what happens is when it rains afterwards, all that stuff will get on your gutters and turn the gutters color. That's why we always rinse our roofs like 99% of the time. But let me show you just a regular little bit of water on a soft wash part. What happens here? Alright, hold on a second. Watch what comes off this roof just on the edge. Look at the color of that. That's after a soft wash. That's how dirty this roof was. And this is the reason why you should rinse all this off afterwards, because it looks a lot better. And when it rains, all that debris doesn't sit on the trim. Like if you look right here, that drip edge, everything's sitting on that drip edge now. It does the same thing when it rains. So the customer's house will be dirty again. That's why we charge a little bit more money, because we do the whole process. Alright? Professional work is not fast. Professional work is not matched by any hacks. We do real professional work. Look how clean that roof is. From black to gold.